tech company OnePlus is preparing to launch its new foldable smartphone. OnePlus Open 2 is expected to launch in early 2025. Many changes and upgrades are going to be seen in the new Fold phone. Information about which has now been received. OnePlus Open was launched in China as Oppo Find N3. Now OnePlus Open 2 is likely to launch in China as Oppo Find N5. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of OnePlus Open 2. Let's start. Specifications of OnePlus Open 2. Chinese tipster digital chat station has posted the leaked specifications of OnePlus Open 2. The tipster claims that the upcoming handset will be bigger than before and will have a larger screen. It is going to have a 7.85-inch foldable LTPO, Flexi Fluid AMOLED display. Apart from this, it will have 1B colors, Dolby Vision, 120 Hz refresh rate, 3500 nits peak brightness, 2268 x 2440 pixels resolution, and 426 ppi pixel density. Apart from this, in-display fingerprint sensor and IP69 are also going to be available in it. Processor. OnePlus Open 2 is tipped to run on Snapdragon 8 Elite Society, and Oxygen OS 15 will be seen as the operating system. Camera setup. It is being said that it has a Hasselblad-tuned triple rear camera setup. It has a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor, with 3x optical zoom. And a 32-megapixel front camera is going to be seen for selfie. Battery backup. Talking about battery, you will get to see 5700 mAh battery in it. It will include a USB Type-C port. Talking about the leaked report, OnePlus Open 2 will have the facility of wireless charging. Price or launch date. OnePlus Open 2 is expected to launch in the first quarter of 2025. Talking about the price of this phone with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage is expected to be around $1,800.